This is the Swim by Zeblaze. It's called the Swim Watch. Got a great set of watch faces in here with lots of data. A lot of controls here too, from locking the screen and do not disturb to changing your battery level of protection and whatnot. Raise your wrist to see the time. A broad range of brightness levels. You can cover the watch to turn it off or not if you want to. You can set the timeout for all different ranges from 5 to 20 seconds. And change screens, of course. We saw that colorful one there. You can download watch faces from the app like this one. You have a bunch of other things, power savings and vibration tuning. You can do the raise the wrist and touch to close. You can even set on auto sports recognition so it can tell when you're starting to run or walk or whatever. Shut down, restart, factory reset, all of that's in here. And that is simply by swiping down. Swipe up, you get messages sent to you from your phone. If you go over this way, you get a music player that'll play music on your watch. There's no speaker or microphone on this, so it'll play from your phone, actually. You have your weather that you can check and what city you put in Fahrenheit or centigrade. You set all that up in the app. Your different activities that include pool swimming, open water, all kinds of other activities. Those that involve distance, like walking outdoors or running or cycling, will invoke GPS, because you do have a GPS module in here, and you can get really nice tracking of your activity. Other things like Zumba and Pilates and yoga and tennis, they're all here in the other category. And again, settings. When you swipe this way, you're getting your daily activity of steps, calories burned, and distance traveled. You want details, you can actually get the charts of each of those activities on their own too. You've got your heart rate, continuous heart rate. You tap that, you'll activate the green diodes and start taking your current heart rate in the moment. Otherwise, you can just rely on the standard testing of it. You also have last night's sleep time and all the breakdown between light, deep, and even REM, rapid eye movement sleeping. You've got the watch face back here again, and to show you one more, you can switch to, let's say, this analog one like that. To get everything, you tap the side button, and that brings you into your sports record, your daily activities, all of the readings that we just saw, including now a stopwatch, a timer, your remote music player, find the phone, and ladies, check this out, a complete calendar for your female cycle information. It's a really nice watch. It's very thin, very lightweight, and it's designed for swimming. So it really is hardened for waterproof capability and use in the water. It's the Swim Watch from Zeblaze. Check it out.